heading over to Ivan's right now because he asked me to help him shoot some things for a campaign. First though, I'm gonna go get us some coffee, some drinks. Got the drinks. I got Ivan a tropical passion tea. He wanted a green tea, but they didn't have it. And then I got a hazelnut iced latte. These are from Paris Baguette. I had their hazelnut coffee like a couple weeks ago and it was so good. It wasn't. It just so happened to look 90s. I even looked at the flyer. I was like, it didn't say 90s.
It's 1994, right? It's Fear Street 1994?
Yeah, but it was actually, I told you to come dressed in 90s.
Yeah, I forgot to scroll all down on the email for you. I just captured like the beginning part to let you know what it was.
So we're going to watch Netflix. What is it? Fear Street 1994?
Yes.
At LA Historic Park, so it should be fun.
Want a beach?
How are we gonna eat that?
Take it home.
Okay, sure.
These are the vegan ones.
Ooh.
Don't they look bomb?
Yeah, they look good.
And then,
oh my god, you
sleight of hand.
We got so much food. Ooh, that looks so good.
And now we're still waiting for more food.
The fries are so good.
Halfway. Yeah, these are.
Oh my god.
They're so good, right? It looks huge.
I'm on my way to Ikea right now for, I don't know, the 5th time, 6th time in 2 months. They finally have the shoe cabinet that I want. So it says it's available online. So I'm hoping by the time I get there, it'll still be there because my luck hasn't been so great these last few times. Yes, they have it. They have a bunch of it. Those boxes are so heavy. It's probably the heaviest thing I've ever gotten from Ikea. And they're not even that big. That was such a struggle getting it into the car. It was so embarrassing. I need to like take a second to chill. I want to go to the grocery store to pick up a few things. But oh my god. I'm like sweating because I wear a freaking sweater too. It's so hot. I'm gonna make some shrimp and egg chow fun for dinner because I haven't made that in a while. I learned that recipe during quarantine and I realized I learned a lot of recipes during quarantine and I've forgotten pretty much how to cook them since moving here. And then hopefully build the Ikea shoe cabinet thing. I could not carry that up from the garage at all for the life of me, so I had to break open the box. I was able to take a bunch of the pieces in a little like rolling cart thing, but there were some that were too big, like the slabs of wood that I had to like carry up myself. Yes, I know my friends could help me, but I'm totally impatient and I just want to get it done. So yeah, that's me. Anyway, I'm gonna start cooking now. Okay, taste test. So good. This is what I brought all of the wooden slats upstairs in. I think my grandma or aunties used to have this when I was growing up and we would go to flea markets and stuff. And I always thought it was so, like, such a grandma thing to do. And now I have one. There's nothing else I hate more than having to make multiple trips from my car, especially now because my parking spot is so far from where my actual apartment is. So I had to get that. It was a must. Here are the other wooden slats. So let's get to building. I did get 2 shoe cabinets, but I only brought one upstairs because it was all that would fit in the cart. And I'm not sure that I need both cabinets. We'll just build the first one and then go from there. So far I've mounted this onto the wall. This is where I decided I wanted it to go, exactly where the old book shoe shelf was. I felt like if I put it here, it would be too claustrophobic with the front door. Okay, it's all done now. It wasn't too bad. I do still have a few more pairs of shoes, so I do need the second shoe cabinet. Look how dirty my Converses are. These are new, I just got these, so that's why they're so white. But yeah, I'm gonna save building the second cabinet for maybe tomorrow or something, because I'm tired.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, you guys are so cute.
Thanks for picking us up.
Yeah, thanks for coming with me.
I'm so tired. I have coffee.
You have it?
I need coffee.
I haven't either because I was like, okay, we're gonna get coffee today, so I'm gonna wait.
That's literally what I thought.
Oh, really? I know. I was like,
I was
let's
lying
control.
down on bed. I was like, chilling.
It's in Echo Park. I thought it was in Silver Lake.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll just map to the tattoo place and then we can look for
Yeah, let's do
a
it.
place around there. Yay! I didn't even say earlier, but I'm gonna get a tattoo today.
Yay, all done.
All done.
So cute.
Yay.
Yeah, it looks really good.
I finally finished building the shoe cabinet the other night. So you can stack them. I just didn't add the legs onto this one. And of course I mounted it against the wall so that it doesn't topple over in case anything happens, because this doesn't actually come with like back legs. It only comes with front legs, so you do have to mount it, especially in California when there might be like little earthquakes and stuff. And because I have Cody, I don't want this to potentially fall on him. But yeah, I love how this turned out. I think this is like the best shoe cabinet I could have found because it's so hard to find one. So I also went on a little shopping spree at Aritzia about a week or so ago, but my last item just arrived in the mail and I want to show you what I got because I think the pieces are really cute. So I'll do a little try on haul for you. I know Aritzia isn't the most affordable place to shop, but it was kind of the first store that I went to that actually got me excited about clothes and fashion and styling again. So I just kind of went a little ham there. Not that ham, but it's expensive. First thing I got was this top right here. This is a satin top. It's got a little like peplum shape, but it's not super peplum, and it's really comfy. I love that you can dress it up or dress it down, and it's just really easy. Then I got this black dress. It's just like I think it's a cotton material. It's really soft. It has a band like in the boob area. I don't know if you can see, very similar to this type. I have a lot of black dresses, but I wanted something a little bit more updated that I could still wear on very casual days, because I just love throwing on a dress when I have nothing else to wear. This one was on the cheaper end. I think this was like 50% off, so it was like 25 bucks, probably because of the material. It's not as expensive, I guess. Next, I got this pink dress. It's like a midi length dress, also very comfortable. This one is a little sheer, so you can kind of see through it. I definitely recommend wearing a slip underneath and like a nude colored bra, or you know, if you don't care then whatever, but I care. So this is a thing that I was like waiting in the mail for because they didn't have my size in the store, but it's this satin skirt in this cream color. I've been wanting one like this for a while that I could throw on chunky sweaters with. It would look really great in the summer. I feel like it's a really great piece all year round because again, you can dress it for hotter weather or colder weather. Then I got these pants. I have been showing these on my stories on Instagram, and I got so many questions about these pants and you all loved it. These are kind of like baggier. They definitely have like a balloon kind of silhouette to it. Like it's really tight on the waist, and then it billows out towards the leg. So it's definitely not something that's like form-fitting around my legs, but I love it and it's really comfortable. I actually had debated getting it hemmed because it is like a tiny bit loose on the waist area. I had safety pinned it to test it to see if I would like it smaller, but when I went to that event with Soy, I wore these pants and I ate so much that the safety pin like broke off. So I was like, maybe I shouldn't get it hemmed just in case. But yeah, I love these pants, and the pockets are thick, like they're big pockets, so it's really nice. Lastly, I got these vegan leather pants. I had also been eyeing pants like these for a while. I don't know if it was the best idea to buy it during like the summer, but I couldn't help myself. I especially wanted pants like these for like dressier events, like nicer events, or even just going out to bars with friends. I wanted more options than like just a skirt. And that's pretty much it. I did want to show you my tattoo also. I just took off the bandage last night because you're supposed to keep it on for a couple days, but I accidentally scratched it this morning because it was kind of itchy. This is a tattoo that I've been thinking about for a while, and just, you know, pandemic, so I couldn't get it. It's an Elvish script from Lord of the Rings, which is one of my favorite movies of all time. Like, I just loved it. Like, you can ask my best friend. I made her sit and watch those movies with me so much. But the Elvish word is Itilden. In the first Lord of the Rings movie, where they're trying to go into this cave and there's like a secret doorway, and the doorway has these etchings on it that only lights up under moonlight. I Reddited, I researched to make sure that I got it, you know, as accurate as possible. So it pretty much means like moon star or star moon, mirroring moonlight and starlight, a strong metal alloy that glows under moonlight, and I just thought it was so cute and so cool. And it went really well with the crescent moon tattoo that I have on my other rib, so I just thought it was perfect. And I think Elvish script is so pretty. Like, the fact that J.R.R. Tolkien, the author of these books, invented this language, multiple languages, is just amazing to me. So that's what my tattoo means. Sorry I didn't have time to explain it earlier in the vlog, but I love how it turned out. I think it's so beautiful. Ugh.